Here are some top healthy chicken recipes perfect for weight loss. These are low in calories but packed with protein, flavor, and nutrients. 1. Grilled chicken salad. 1. Ingredients: grilled chicken breast, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, avocado, and balsamic vinaigrette. 2. Why it's healthy: high protein, fiber-rich vegetables, and healthy fats from avocado. 3. Tip: use minimal dressing to keep calories low. 2. Chicken stir-fry with vegetables. 1. Ingredients: chicken breast, broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, carrots, garlic, ginger, and a light soy sauce. 2. Why it's healthy: loaded with vegetables, lean protein, and minimal added oils or sauces. 3. Tip: serve over cauliflower rice or quinoa for a low-carb or balanced meal. 3. Chicken zucchini noodles, Zoodles. 1. Ingredients: spiralized zucchini, diced chicken breast, cherry tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. 2. Why it's healthy: a low-carb alternative to pasta, packed with fiber and nutrients. 3. Tip: add red pepper flakes for a spicy kick. 4. Lemon herb grilled chicken. 1. Ingredients: chicken breast, lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, thyme, and rosemary. 2. Why it's healthy: simple, clean ingredients with no heavy sauces. 3. Tip: pair with roasted asparagus or a fresh green salad. 5. Chicken and veggie soup. 1. Ingredients: shredded chicken, carrots, celery, zucchini, spinach, chicken broth, and herbs, thyme, parsley. 2. Why it's healthy: a low-calorie, high-volume meal that keeps you full longer. 3. Tip: make a big batch and freeze portions for quick meals. 6. Baked chicken and sweet potatoes. 1. Ingredients: chicken thighs, skinless, sweet potatoes, olive oil, garlic, and paprika. 2. Why it's healthy: a balanced meal with lean protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. 3. Tip: add a side of steamed green beans for extra veggies. 7. Buffalo chicken lettuce wraps. 1. Ingredients: ground chicken, hot sauce, romaine lettuce leaves, and Greek yogurt for a creamy topping. 2. Why it's healthy: low carb, high protein, and satisfies spicy cravings. 3. Tip: use low sodium hot sauce to reduce salt intake. 8. Chicken and quinoa bowl. 1. Ingredients: grilled chicken breast, cooked quinoa, roasted Brussels sprouts, kale, and a lemon tahini dressing. 2. Why it's healthy: high in protein, fiber, and antioxidants. 3. Tip: prep ingredients ahead for easy assembly during busy weekdays. 9. Chicken fajita bowl. 1. Ingredients: grilled chicken, sautéed bell peppers and onions, avocado, salsa, and cauliflower rice. 2. Why it's healthy: low carb and full of healthy fats and proteins. 3. Tip: skip cheese or sour cream for a lighter version. 10. Garlic lime chicken with steamed vegetables. 1. Ingredients: chicken breast, garlic, lime juice, steamed broccoli, and carrots. 2. Why it's healthy: simple and clean, perfect for meal prep. 3. Tip: marinate the chicken overnight for extra flavor. Let me know if you'd like detailed recipes or preparation instructions for any of these dishes.